C'est juste gorgeous. Le poulet est perfectly cooked. I add just a touch of water to finish the cooking. You can use lamb, beef or lamb. I don't want to overcook the meat. I still want the juice of it. Pas trop cuire la viande. Je veux aussi le jus. J'en ai besoin pour le. That's what we want. Je rajoute tout. Je rajoute du garlic, de l'ail, with spice, cumin, paprika, pepper, salt, du sel et du poivre, tout petit peu de safran, full of silvered almond, raisin, des amandes effilées et du raisin sec. A wet parchment pepper, un morceau de parchemin. I'm going to dropping the rest of my stuff. Je vais mettre le reste de ma farce. I'm going to close it, more or less. Well, it doesn't have to be closed completely, but if it is, it's better. And season with olive oil, de l'huile d'olive, salt, du sel, du paprika, pepper. Mix that. There is a little bit of water from the wash and I want it. Olive oil here on the pan. I drop that. 20 minutes per pound. 2.5 pounds. An hour and 10 minutes more. 20 minutes. 20 minutes par livre. Moi j'ai 1,5 kg à un cœur et 10 minutes. Mais comme c'est staff, peut-être que ça va prendre un tout petit peu plus de temps. Mais... This is perfectly cooked. So we're just going to wait for them. Ça sent bon. Ça so good, just crazy. Look at the juice. It was so easy, no? It was super easy. You have it all. I don't have green lettuce, but I would make a green lettuce salad as well. You can do a nice tomato salad to go with. On good. C'est juste gorgeous. Ça, c'est juste décadent. Juicy. I'm gonna go some. This is perfecto. Bye bye.